Well, good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed, and y'all remember yesterday I actually packed. I packed most of my stuff that's going out today, but I did have some more orders come in. I had these three things. I went ahead and pulled them already. This Flutter Shag kit. I've had quite a few of these for probably about 2 years now, I'd imagine, and sold this one for $12 free ship yesterday. I sold this New York Mets hat. This is actually a viewer sale. This sold to Jesse. So Jesse, thank you, man. I hope you like the hat. $10.99 plus shipping on top. And then finally on the main account, I sold this Polaroid little soft camera bag for $12.99 plus shipping on top. Got one more item to pull, then I'll pack this stuff up and get it to the post office. It's a another viewer sale. It's a hat. All right. Okay. Ah, here it is. Maxicom Central Control System Rainbird hat, old school, trucker style with the little braid or whatever on there. Did a best offer of $7 plus shipping on top, and this is going out to Brian. So Brian, thank you very much. I appreciate the business, man. Hope you like the hat. Alrighty, packages are away, and I finally got all these hats listed. Just pop those up, and now I'm gonna pull out the actually I have 2 DVD recorders that I'm going to test today if I can. One I have the remote for. I'm going to test it for sure. The other one I don't know if I can test without a remote, but I'm going to try and see how far I can get. Hopefully the one I bought for $5 in Tennessee, I think it's a pretty good one, so I'm really hoping it works. All right, this first one worked. This is the one that I didn't have the remote control for. It's a Sony, what's the model number? RDR VX521. But it has a flip down. I used it the other day to play a Beastie Boys CD. It's got this little flip down panel, and you can like control it from here. So the remote was not necessary. I was able to make a recording and play it back. I just made a recording of touring Civil War battlefields. I had this VHS laying around, and I made a recording on this DVD-R, which I keep these things around. I'll just toss this thing now. But yeah, this one works fine. Well, I just fired up this Panasonic, and so far it looks like it's good. Like, I'm gonna do a test recording or whatever. But I put the DVD-R in, and it prompted me to format it. Formatted it. It says formatting complete. Very good sign. I guess the only thing I don't really know for sure yet is, does the VCR side work? And I'll find that out soon enough. I have a feeling if the VCR side plays, I'm probably going to be good. Otherwise, I don't think it would have been able to format. But we'll find out. All right, it looks like it's recording fine. I think I'm going to let it run for probably 5 to 10 minutes. Go grab a cup of coffee or something. Then I'll come back in and check and see if it worked okay or not. So I think it's going to be good. Okay, so it looks like it finished. Now I'm gonna actually finalize. I have a bad habit. Finalizing will take 4 minutes. Yeah. Necessarily continue, start. All right. So I'm gonna finalize this disc. I'm gonna play it back on this machine, and then I have 2 other machines. One of them I think probably works. The other one I think may not work. These are just, I think these are both just players, I believe. DVD and Hitachi and a Sanyo. I think one works and one doesn't, but I'm going to find out for sure. But yeah, I think I have a good working unit here. I don't think it would have gotten this far. I've never gotten this far with one and had it fail anyways, put it that way. So this is going to be a really good one. That Sony, especially without the remote, and the remotes cost about 25 bucks. I'm only going to get about 80 bucks $80 bucks is kind of on the high end for unit only, but I think I paid $15 for that at a yard sale, so it's fine. It's still good money. And yeah, this one, I think this one's going to be somewhere around 150 or more or less. I think I sold this exact same unit before. I don't remember what I got for it. I haven't comped it yet, but this is the one I paid $5 for. And they did not have the remote when I bought it. And then this was in Tennessee. We went back just to see if they had anything else on the last day before we left town. And the lady was like, oh, her husband was there. And I'm like, y'all didn't ever find that remote, did you? He went up in the garage, he found the remote. So that was a big thing there. He gave me a bunch of cables and stuff too, which was cool. So yeah, it says finalizing completed successfully. Disc is now compatible for playback on other DVD players. And it's playing back fine. So yeah, this is a good little unit here. Okay, just like I thought, the top one did not work and the bottom one does work. So I'll sell the bottom one. I sold a hat to a viewer just a little while ago, to Justin. So thank you, Justin. I'm going to pull it too. Probably by the end of this video I'll pull it tonight. But I did want to let you know that to express some interest in this Polly Pocket stuff for your daughter. I did want to let you know that I recorded a quick video just showing all the stuff that it comes with, and I'll link that video right down below in the description. I have like another account that I just use for those kind of videos, you know, just little short videos. So y'all go take a look at that video and then contact me at the email address that's in the description too, and maybe we can work something out. I think we can. Okay, the winner of the second mug. The first mug I was able to get in touch with the winner and sent the mug out. Hopefully they got it by now, or they will get it very soon. The second mug that I gave away, I never got an email from the person that won it. And that's it. I'm not going to wait anymore. We're just going to go ahead and give it away again. So this is the mug. If you want to be entered in this drawing, which I'm going to do on tomorrow's video, so submissions over the next about 24 hours, and we'll draw on tomorrow's vid. Just write the word mug somewhere in your comment, and you'll be eligible to win that mug. I'll draw at random. So yeah, good luck to everyone. Oh, that mug will ship worldwide for free. Like anywhere you are in the world, I'll ship it for free. United States, Europe, wherever you are. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull a few orders. It's nighttime now, by the way. I haven't been filming near enough today. I'm gonna pull a few orders that came in today, so they'll be ready for me to pack up in the morning. First one that sold today was one of the WDCC figures, Calypso Crustacean. That's right, and yes, I moved on I have all of the WCC figures right here now. I moved them from over there. I've sold through enough to where they can all fit here. Oh, and I also sold something. Had a big calculator that was sitting over here. I sold it. So anyways, this guy sold today. Really good sale. He sold for $109.99 plus shipping on top. So that was a really nice one. Okay, I already pulled this one because I had to weigh it. This is Starscream and Bumblebee. And I had somebody in the UK message me. I had these on GSP and they wanted to combine shipping. So it looked like a solid buyer. So what I did was I made a new listing. I just put them on the bench here, popped a couple of quick photos and made a new listing with both the items in it. And then I weighed them on the scale. I found that the shipping weight was going to be 3 pounds, and consulted the simple export rate on Pirate Ship and put that in instead of global shipping. And then I sent the link to that new listing over to the customer. They bought it right away and paid for it. So anyways, for those two figures, I got $47.99 plus shipping on top, plus the $24.95 or whatever. I think I charged 26 or so though. All right, I got a viewer sale here. Trying to figure out where I'm going to keep these hats. I just plopped it up here for now. This shelf is not gonna stay here long term. All right, sold one of these. I have 2 of these available. One of these Jack Daniels hats. Sold this for $7.99 plus shipping on top to Justin. Justin, thanks so much. Go check out that link to the Polly Pockets that I put down below in the description. Let your daughter take a look at it, and then email me tomorrow sometime, and I'll get back with you. Thanks again, dude, for buying the hat. All right, another viewer sale. Actually, 2 more viewer sales, but I'll pull this one first. I sold Ghost, the movie Ghost. Let's see if I can identify it from the edge. I think it's going to be in this little stack here. On Laserdisc. Oh, here it is. I see it. All right. Yep. Patrick Swayze, Demi Moore, and Whoopi Goldberg. This is going out to Brad. Brad bought a Laserdisc player and he needs to test it. So hopefully it works for you, Brad. I appreciate the purchase, man. I'm going to use one of these handy dandy vinyl mailers, link down below. Use one of these to ship that out to you. And last thing here, got another hat going out. Let's see if I can get it without having to get up in there. I just did. Look at that. This is another hat that I listed today. U.S. Marine Corps. It's a camo hat, and it is going out. Okay, that hat was bought by Eric for his brother who's in the Marines, and he said that they both watch the channel. So hello, Eric and Eric's brother. Really appreciate the business. Thank you very much. All right, I'm going to answer this one by Santa Claus. He seems a little irritated. 4th time's the charm. Really curious to know what the story is about Amazon and why you don't sell on there. You said before that you would explain eventually and watch every video. LOL. He's laughing. Still haven't heard what happened. Thanks for all you do. Love the vids. Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, it's not like a juicy story or anything. There's not like any kind of suspensions or got kicked off the platform or anything like that. I actually found, like, I sent a pretty good bit of stuff in, and I did sell some stuff, but I actually source a lot of used stuff that doesn't really go well on Amazon. I found that I wasn't sending my best stuff to Amazon, and I wasn't taking it seriously. And here's what really changed it though, is I bought a board game, and this has been a couple years ago. I bought a board game, brand new sealed Battleship, and I tried to send it in, and it told me I was blocked. So I was like, what? For a Battleship game? Like, do they think it's fake? What's going on here? So yeah, I was a little miffed about that. And then that later on that weekend, I actually bought a big buy of Lego. I spent $500 on a bunch of brand new Lego sets. Like, this was some good stuff too. All brand new, sealed. And before I bought it, I already scanned it with the Amazon seller app, and I was gated there too. Couldn't sell there. So at that point, which was fine. I mean, I still made plenty of money on eBay with it, but at that point, I got tired of being told I couldn't sell stuff there, and I don't really like do RA much anyways, and most of the stuff I source is used. So at that point, I recalled everything that I had sent there, and I quit selling on Amazon, and I just haven't gone back. So will I do it again? Maybe one day. I'm pretty happy with eBay though for now, to be honest. Here's a good question. Lost in Time Picker right here. I am new to Garage Flips. Love the content and knowledge. Thank you. I'm in Southeast Texas near Beaumont. Okay, so not far away at all. That's right there on the border between Louisiana and Texas. My questions are, does garage sale season end here in the South? What are the slow months? What are the busy months? It does, at least here. I can't speak for Beaumont because that is a little bit of distance away. But here, I would say garage sales go all the way up through about November, but they're not like super strong, but there's still, you know, pretty good many to go to. But December, when it starts getting cold, they start to like severely decline. January and February are really bad for garage sales here. Typically they'll start picking back up in March. So really the only 2 months that I would say there are no garage sales, pretty much, with a few exceptions, are January, February. But then parts of December and maybe parts of March if it's real cold too. But you still have like estate sales and stuff. But our dead season as far as garage sales, really short. We're really fortunate. Like I know a lot of my friends up north, they have a very short garage sale season compared to us. Now the best months are spring. Early spring is the best, and I find like the later it gets, like right now it's like August, it's just really hot. Nobody feels like dealing with it, you know. It's like it's so uncomfortable outside. So they still have them, but there's just not as many, and they're not as good. The best, freshest, and most garage sales happen in the spring. So, hope that answers that. All right, this is from Dithy, I think. Hi, Lonnie. Is there any way to go lower on a shipping for a signed card? They're talking about the little signed, like Star Trek cards and stuff I have, movie cards. To Ireland. Card is 10, and shipping on eBay is 15. Thanks. Yes. At some point, I need to go through all my listings and add flat rate international shipping to the stuff I want to ship international, which is a lot of stuff. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and make a note of that right now so I don't forget, and I will go through and put a better rate for all the international rate for all those cards. How much is it going to be? Well, it's going to be the cheapest rate I can get, simple export rate. Let me pull it up real quick and I'll tell you how much it's going to cost once I change it. Okay. Whenever I do add it, which should be hopefully tomorrow. So check again tomorrow. I'm going to be shipping it at this half pound up to, but not over a half pound, $9.95. So the shipping will be reduced by $5. That's going to be the cheapest I can do that to Ireland. So yeah, that's definitely on my to-do list, but I'm going to do those tonight. I'll do those cards tonight and add that shipping for you. Thank you. Okay, it's been kind of a disjointed day here in the shed, just like video-wise. I haven't been consistent with filming today. But I'm going to knock off here. I want to remind y'all again, I'm going to give away that mug. Whoops. I'm going to give away that mug that I showed you on the shelf a little while ago. If you want to be eligible to get the mug, just leave a comment down below with mug in the comments somewhere. Going to do a random draw tomorrow, and we'll give the mug away. Anybody in the world is eligible. So thanks again for watching tonight, guys. I will see y'all again tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.